afternoon, everyone. First, I'd like to thank family, friends, especially the Santiago Police Department, most especially the gang unit and his SWAT team, and all individuals near and far who have shown immense support for our family during this time. All week we have heard about what happened on July 28th and other stories going around told to depict the person that we are gathered for here today. He was a follower of the Lord, a family man, an outstanding member of the Santiago Police Department and the community. But most importantly to me, he was my son. He was my son. Jonathan was my first child and the eldest of his generation in our family. He was the older brother to not only his siblings, but to all his cousins and the favorite uncle. He would light up a room when he walked in. He cared for each and every person. I have been so proud of him. He has been there for each and every one of us, even me, because he was my son. From the time his father and I moved into his home, the thing I will miss most is the moment before he would leave to work. Why it is when he was leaving? It is because every time Jonathan leaves to work, he would stop to take a moment with me and his father, to pray, to share his love, his gratefulness for us, and to pray that he will come back home. This simple act was also our last moment with him. The night he did not come back home, that makes us remember how precious life is. So remember to take an extra moment with your family and friends and tell them how much you love them and how grateful you are for them. Cherish them, for they do not know how much longer we have or when it would be your last. I've had my moments with Jonathan, and I will relive and cherish them forever. Our family will forever share stories of my great son who risked his life to make this world a better place. But please, if anyone would take a little bit of my son, take this, be the change you want to see in the world, and together we could continue to keep America a great place to live. To my son, Jonathan, I love you very much, and you will always be in my heart. Your dad and your siblings, your niece and your nephews, will always love you forever. We love you so much. Thank you.